Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about Indian monsoon, the mechanism and characteristics of Indian monsoon. This is an important topic in our UGC NET examination, paper 2 geography. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the class. First of all, this is the lecture outline. What is monsoon? Definition and etymology. Mechanism of monsoon, ITCZ, jet streams and theories. Onset and withdrawal, timeline and progress. Branches of monsoon, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Characteristics, rainfall distribution and variability, El Niño and ENSO impact on Indian monsoon. Okay, first of all, what is monsoon? Definition. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic mausim, meaning season. It refers to seasonal reversal of winds blowing from sea to land in summer, southwest monsoon, and from land to sea in winter, northeast monsoon. Okay, southwest monsoon, June to September, Kharif season rainfall, northeast monsoon, October to December, retreating Tamil Nadu coast, and annual rainfall 118 cm average over India. Types of monsoon in India: southwest monsoon, onshore, sea to land, June and September; northeast monsoon, offshore, land to sea, October and December, October to December; pre-monsoon, nor'wester and mango showers, April to May; western disturbance, extratropical cyclones, winter rains, northwest India. Okay, mechanism of monsoon theories. Thermal classical theory by Haley in 1686. Differential heating of land and sea. Indian landmass heats rapidly in summer, low pressure. Moist southwest winds drawn from Indian Ocean. Winter long land cools, high pressure northeast winds blow out. Jet stream theory, Fawn 1951 and Cottesforum 1958. Subtropical jet stream STZ blows over India in winter. In summer, Tibetan Plateau hits STZ shifts north of Himalayas. Tropical easterly jet TEZ establishes at 9 km over India. TEZ drives southwest monsoon circulation and ensures its onset. ITCZ theory, modern meteorology, intertropical convergence zones, ITCZ, that means this is an equatorial trough of low pressure. In summer, ITCZ shifts northward to 25 degrees north over Indian subcontinent. This northward shift triggers southwest monsoon onset over Kerala. Southwest monsoon notified southeast traders crossing equator plus curving right Coriolis. Rule of ITCZ and jet streams in monsoon. ITCZ, intertropical convergence zones. Low pressure belt near equator where trade winds meet, also called equatorial trough or monsoon trough. In January, lies at 5 degrees south over southern Indian Ocean. In July, shift to 25 degrees north over Rajasthan Sindh, Thar Desert. This northward shift pulls moisture-laden southwest trades into India. Northwest India heat low XS engine drawing monsoon northward. ITCZ position determines monsoon onset and intensity. Jet streams and Tibetan Plateau. STZ winter, subtropical westerly jet at 27 degrees north, maintains dry conditions, northeast monsoon. STZ withdrawal May, Tibetan Plateau heats up, STZ shifts northern portion of Himalayas, triggering southwest monsoon. TEZ summer, tropical easterly jet, okay, at 9 km 14 to 20 degree north, sustains monsoon circulation over India. And Somali jet, low level cross equatorial jet, 1 km altitude, funnels moisture from Somalia to West India. Onset and progress of southwest monsoon. First zone Kerala coast, normal onset burst phenomenon. Then 10 June, Mumbai, Goa, concurrent with Arabian Sea branch. 10 June, Bay of Bengal, recess Northeast India, through Bay branch. 29 June, Delhi, Northwest India, recess UP, Bihar. 20 June, 15 July, covers all India, complete coverage of India. Then 1st September, withdrawal begins from Northwest Rajasthan first. 15 October, retreat complete, retreats to Tamil Nadu coast. Northeast monsoon, retreating monsoon, October to December brings 35% of Tamil Nadu's annual rainfall, also affects Andhra Pradesh, Sri Lanka, associated with cyclonic activity in Bay of Bengal. Branches of southwest monsoon, Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch, strongest and most moisture-laden branch, hits western Ghats, orographic rainfall. Western slopes get 300 to 600 cm. Leeward gets 50 to 75 cm rain shadow. Sub-branches, western Ghats branch, Gujarat Saurashtra branch, Sindh Punjab branch into Pakistan, responsible for 65% of southwest monsoon rainfall. Creates Konkan coast, Kerala, Goa, heavy rains, June and September. Leeward side, Deccan Plateau remains dry, rain shadow effect. Bay of Bengal enters northeast India, Assam and Meghalaya first, deflected westward by Himalayan barrier. Mosinam and Cherrapunji receive world's highest rainfall, 1,100 cm, more than. Sub-branches, northeast branch, Assam and Bengal, central branch, Gangetic plain, west to east, southern branch, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh coast. brings rain to most of the Indo-Gangetic plain. Rainfall decreases westward. Kolkata, Patna, Varanasi and Delhi meets Arabian Sea branch near Punjab region. Characteristics of Indian monsoon. Seasonal is a reversal. Winds reverse direction completely between summer, southwest and winter, northeast. Hallmark of monsoon system. Burst of monsoon, sudden onset with torrential rains. Kerala onset, violent break from dry condition, not gradual. Uneven rainfall distribution. Cherrapunji 1100 cm versus Jaisalmer less than 10 cm annually. Extreme spatial variability across India. Temporal variability, year-to-year variability, drought years in 1987 to 2002 versus flood years. Coefficient of variability more than 30% in arid zones. Break in monsoon, temporary cessation 5 to 10 days. ITCZ shift northward, heavy rains over Himalayas, northeast but dry over most of India. Orographic effect, Western Ghats windward 200 to 400 cm, leeward Deccan 40 to 75 cm, Khasi Hills world's highest rainfall. Okay, rainfall distribution in India, Mosinam in Meghalaya, world's wettest place, and Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, wind and driest place. 75% rainfall in monsoon months. Rainfall zones of India, very high, very heavy, more than 200 cm. Western Ghat, Northeast India and Andaman, heavy 100 to 200 cm. Coastal India, Northeast Plains, Orissa, moderate 75 to 100 cm. Central India is Rajasthan, low 50 to 75 cm. Northwest India, Punjab and Haryana, very low, less than 50 cm. Rajasthan, Kutch and Ladakh. Okay, El Nino, La Nina and ENSO impact on monsoon. El Nino, warm event, periodic warming of Central and Eastern Pacific. Weekends Waka circulation suppresses Indian southwest monsoon rainfall, leads to drought in India. 1987, 2002, 2024 are some significant examples of this drought. Interval 3 to 7 years, December to February peak. Southern Oscillation Index SOI becomes negative. La Nina, cold event, cooling of Eastern Pacific Ocean waters, strengthens Walker circulation, enhances Indian southwest monsoon rainfall, often leads to flood conditions. 1988 to 2010, associated with above normal rainfall in India, SOI becomes positive high pressure Pacific. ENSO and Walker cell, El Nino southern oscillation, Walker circulation, east-west circulation over Pacific, normal, low pressure over Indonesia, high over Peru. El Nino preserved this, shifting rainfall eastward. Indian Ocean Dipole, IOD also affect monsoon. Positive IOD, good monsoon, and negative IOD means deficit. Madden-Julian oscillation, MJO affects active and break. Okay, these are some practice questions for NET examination. Question number 1, the normal date of onset of the southwest monsoon over Kerala is. Correct answer is option number B, 1 June. Question number 2, the word monsoon is derived from which language? Correct answer is option number C, Arabic. The tropical estuary TEZ during summer monsoon flows at approximately. Correct answer is option number C, 9 km altitude. Break in monsoon refers to. Correct answer is option number C, temporary cessation. Break ITCZ shift north. Rains over Himalayas, northeast India, but dry spells elsewhere. Question number 5, which of the following receives rainfall due to northeast monsoon? Correct answer is option number C, Chennai. The burst of monsoon refers to. Correct answer is option number B, sudden onset of monsoon with heavy rain. Question number 7, which factor most responsible for the onset of southwest monsoon over India? Correct answer is option number C, northwest shift in ITCZ. El Nino years are generally associated with which condition in India? Correct answer is option number C, drought and deficient rainfall. Okay, key terms and glossary. ITCZ, intertropical convergence zone. STZ, subtropical jet stream. TEZ, tropical estuary jet. SOI, southern oscillation index. IOD, Indian Ocean Dipole. MJO, Madden-Julian oscillation. ISO height, line on a map connecting places with equal annual rainfall. Orographic rainfall due to most air rising over mountains. Windward slope wetter or leeward rain shadow. Monsoon trough, elongated low pressure zone along ITCZ. Its position determines monsoon rainfall over India. Break monsoon, temporary dry spell 5 to 10 days when ITCZ shift north, active over northeast Himalayas. Okay, monsoon, seasonal reversal of winds from Arabic monsoon season. Southwest monsoon June to September, northeast monsoon October to December. Onset Kerala 1st June, complete India by 15 July. Mechanism ITCZ northward shift, STZ subtropical jet stream, withdrawal and Tibetan hitting. TEZ tropical estuary jet 9 km sustains monsoon. Somali jet 1 km brings moisture. Arabian Sea branch 65%. Western Ghats rain shadow over Deccan. Bay of Bengal branch Mosinam and Cherrapunji world highest rainfall. Break monsoon ITCZ shifts north. Dry spell over plains. El Nino weak monsoon drought. La Nina strong monsoon. Positive IOD above normal Indian rainfall. Positive negative IOD deficit. India's average rainfall 118 cm, 75% in 4 southwest monsoon zones. Highest variability CV more than 30% in Rajasthan and lowest in Western Ghat and northeast India. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.